Hi guys, I'm here today to explain something that most of you guys um, didn't know. Maybe you knew, but you didn't know how to do it. After the iOS update 14.0.1, you can make your apps, your home screen, look like this with different images and colors. You can add. So I'm here to help those who didn't know how to do this. So basically you first need the app that's widgetsmith. So you go to App Store and you search on widgetsmith, and this is the app that you have to download. This app is 4.7 MB, and that's basically all you need. And you need the shortcut app that I think you already have it downloaded. It's an inbuilt app, so it must be already downloaded. If not, just download the shortcuts app from the App Store. So the first thing you need to do is gather up some pictures, maybe images of you, or maybe some images from Pinterest, whatever is in your interest. You can even just Google it up and just save some pictures in your gallery. And you need to go to the app widgetsmith. Just open the app, and here, because I've already made widgets, it's like this, or else you just get the basic one. So you can go to add widgets over here. You can go to add widget, and so now small hashtag 23 was added. I could click it and touch it and go to default widgets, and you can see under customs you have photo. So you have to select a photo and go to selected photo on the bottom, then go to choose photo, and you can see all your photos from your gallery coming right over here. Then you just have to let me just select this and choose photo, then go back and save it, and it gets saved as a small widget, small hashtag 23. And then you go to your home screen, go for arranging apps, and you see this plus sign on top. You have to press the plus sign and then go scroll to the bottom, and you get widgetsmith. Then you can add small, medium, or large widgets depending. So I'm going to add 2 small widgets, and let's add one large widget. So to stack up the widgets, you can stack it up like this. Oh wait, hold up, before stacking, let's just press done, and I'll show you how to change your picture on widgets. Since my first widget, the small hashtag 1 was Naruto, so you can see Naruto picture comes up. Then when you first touch the widget, you get edit widget. Then you can edit it, and you can select the number. So I want small 23, and I get the image which I created. And even the large icon, you can click it and go to edit widget, and you can select which widget you want. And to arrange these widgets in stacks, you have to go to edit home screen, and you just have to add it like that, just like how we add the product, like how we merge apps together to form that one single category. So you can move like this, and for this, if you can add the calendar or whatever. You can add it like that, and you can merge that in here as well. So now when you scroll, you can see whatever you added up. That's how I've added up this for milk and mocha. I've added the battery, and for this I've added weather, and over here for SpongeBob I've added my screen time, and for Naruto here I've added my notes. So in that way you can add, even for anything like even for the large ones you can add a large icon, like let's see, let me show you. So hold up, if you take this, see, you can add this way larger icon, and okay, let me get this up. Oops. It's going. Where is it? I missed it out. Alright. So when it's like this, you can add it like that, and it's done. And when you move, you can see the tips also, so you can add anything you want in that way. And if you want to just keep this screen, the numbers, you can go to this and edit. You can change the location, the font, tint, colors, put whatever color you want, and put red here, and black for borders, and background, let's change it to whatever, and time format you want, 24 hours or AM, PM, whatever, and just save it, and it gets saved. And now there's Apple layout 2 over here. I get the calendar different over here for depending on the first layout, and the second one's like this, it's changed. And if you want to create icon skins, like app skins like these, the camera, photos, phone, and messages I have over here, when you click it, it goes directly into my photos. You need the shortcuts app, and here when you open shortcuts you'll have it as blank maybe, so you have to go to the plus sign on top and go to add action and go for scripting, then go for open app. Here you can choose the app. Let's take for an example the Among Us app, and then you have to press the 3 dots next to the new shortcut 8 1 or whatever that's gonna come over there. Then you have to go for add to home screen. Here you can give the name of what you want, and just press the stack thing you see, and you have to choose photo. Over there you can go and choose, okay, let me choose this cute milk and mocha. Then you can adjust, zoom in, zoom out, and adjust if you don't want that milk and mocha mark there, just add it and then choose, then you go for add, and it's done. So now when you go to your home screen, you can see that the Among Us app is right here. You just have to first touch it and edit home screen, and you can move this wherever you want to move it to. You can move it to another page or whatever, and keep it in whatever place you want. And then what you have to do is, you have the original Among Us app over here. You can press the minus mark on top of it, and you can move this app to the app library. Move to app library. Moving to app library does nothing to your app. It will just be here. Now, since you can see, I have the shortcut to Among Us and the Among Us app over here. Nothing's gonna happen to it. When you press this image, the shortcut you created, it's going to script it, it's going to open the scripting and move you to the Among Us game. You can do that to any of the apps you want, or else you can just do like me. I did not apply any skins. I just categorized them into colors, like green, all the green apps together, all the yellow apps together, all the blue apps and the red apps. So this way you can easily categorize your stuff and make your pages look better, like cuter and more colorful and attractive. I hope you understood what I said, and I hope this would be helpful to most of you. Thank you.